Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to Travelcations. Today, we're diving into the enchanting beauty of Kashmir, a hidden gem nestled in the northern part of Pakistan. Kashmir is all about stunning views, green valleys, big mountains, and super friendly people. Whether you love nature, excitement, or just a peaceful time, Kashmir has something special for everyone. But before we dive into the mesmerizing beauty of Kashmir, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures. For those in search of cultural and historical exploration, Muzaffarabad, the capital city, is a melting pot of influences. The confluence of the Neelum and Jhelum rivers provides a picturesque backdrop, while the historic Red Fort and conical-shaped confluence point add layers of significance to the journey. Don't miss Pir Chinasi, a hill station offering not only panoramic views but also housing the serene Pir Chinasi shrine. Nature enthusiasts will find solace in the breathtaking landscapes of Kashmir. Neelum Valley, with its charming villages like Keran and Sharda, unveils a scenic paradise. Shaunter Lake, hidden in the Shaunter Valley, and the terraced fields of Lipa Valley showcase the untouched beauty of nature. Rawalakot, often referred to as the Pearl Valley, offers serene lakes, lush gardens, and the tranquil Banjosa Lake, making it a perfect retreat for those seeking peace and quiet. The region also boasts historical landmarks like Arangkel Fort, strategically positioned on the banks of the Mongla Dam, providing a glimpse into the area's rich history. The Mongla Dam itself, one of the world's largest dams, is not only a marvel of engineering but also a recreational hub, offering opportunities for boating, fishing, and picnicking. Kashmir is more than just a destination. It's an invitation to explore the diverse facets of nature, culture, and history. Each location unfolds a unique story, leaving visitors with lasting memories of a journey that transcends the ordinary. As you navigate through the landscapes, be prepared to be enchanted by the warm hospitality of the locals, making your visit to Kashmir an experience that goes beyond sightseeing. So pack your bags and get ready to experience the beauty of Kashmir. If you enjoyed this glimpse, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tales, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more adventures. Until then, happy travels!